It was a great day to head to the beach today as hot and humid conditions made their way across West Michigan. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons is out in those hot and humid conditions on the weather deck right now. And George, doesn't seem like this is going to be our last hot day of the year quite yet.
Not quite yet. I'm sure we'll get more after a cool down this week, Nate, but we do have one more hot day coming up tomorrow. It was also a beautiful day for a bridge walk up in Mackinac City. This is a time lapse of the bridge walk this morning. Lots of people closed the bridge down from around 6:30 in the morning till noon, and then there's all the traffic. But what a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. Temperatures upper 70s. That's on my bucket list to do that one day here in the future. 13 weather ball is green. No change to the hot and humid weather pattern foreseen as we go into Tuesday.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Temperatures right now are very warm under sunny skies, blue skies across the region. We had a few fair weather cumulus clouds earlier. Currently 89 in Grand Rapids, but it feels more like 91, and temperatures are going to go up a few more degrees here tomorrow before we have a cold front go on through. You can see a couple of those fair weather cumulus clouds, but back to the west, this is where our next weather maker will be. But in the meantime, southerly winds bringing up a lot more heat and humidity. This cold front will eventually go through during the day on Wednesday, and that will give us our best chance for some showers and storms. 80s and 90s, even 100 still back to our west, so we got at least one more hot and humid day coming up. All of the heat warnings are on up in Canada, but some heat advisories on the Minneapolis area on up through Duluth. Don't anticipate any of those here, however. Overnight tonight, we'll have clear skies, and we'll have lots of sunshine during the day tomorrow. So no storms here during the day. A couple of pop-up storms maybe around Jackson and Battle Creek late in the day, but here comes the cold front. That's going to bring us showers and thunderstorms prior to daybreak on a Wednesday, and then Wednesday afternoon they'll be on and off, but we'll see some breaks in the clouds and temperatures will be cooling off into the 80s. And then after that, we've got some cool weather coming up for middle latter part of the week on into the weekend. Now on Wednesday, there is a marginal 1 out of 5 risk for a severe storm. I think this may be downgraded because the cold front's going to be coming through very early in the day, so there's not a lot of moisture and energy to tap that. But in the meantime, it's going to stay humid, very humid through Wednesday, and then dropping a little bit on Thursday, and maybe this will be the last time we'll have to talk about the humidity for a little while. As far as our long-range outlook, this is the second full week of September. High chances we are going to be cooler than average. You'll see that in the 10-day forecast, and a pretty good chance that we'll see less rainfall also during that 5-day period. Out on Lake Michigan tonight, we'll look for those 2 to 3 foot waves from earlier today to drop down to around 1 to 2 feet by later on tonight and early tomorrow morning. As far as our forecast then for tonight, I should say, clear skies, upper 60s up north, 70 from Muskegon, Holland southward. Up north, mid and upper 60s, still a bit humid, still need to keep that air conditioner on, and we'll be dropping to around 69 to 70 here in the greater Grand Rapids area. 13 on your side forecast. From 92 tomorrow to 83 on Wednesday, still very humid, dropping to 73 with a few scattered showers Thursday. Friday will just be cloudy and cool, up to 68. Dry over the weekend, but below our average high of 78, and we'll stay that way much of next week as well. Next chance of rain next week coming on Monday. Well, we're wrapping up the holiday weekend on yet another sunny and hot note, the unofficial end to summer. We've got some fall-like weather coming our way later this week, but one more hot and humid day on the way. 13 weather ball remains green, no change to the high humidity and hot temperatures foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
I'm going to give this little guy, Cooper, a green paw for your evening walk, even though temperatures are going to be a little on the warm side, dropping into the 80s after the sun sets here later on. So Sue, just take it easy with Cooper out there, and a green paw in 70s in the morning as a few more clouds will be around then. 8.4 out of a 10-point scale today, dropping to 7.3 tomorrow. 145% home energy savings from just the sun alone, and the winds are going to be down a little bit from what they were today and certainly yesterday. 2.7 out of a 10-point scale. We had plenty of sunshine today. A little bit earlier this afternoon, we had a few fair weather cumulus clouds. It's all that moisture and humidity coming up from the south, but we've got another dry day coming up tomorrow. A cold front off to our west is not going to push through until during the day on Wednesday. That's when our best chance for showers will be. You can see overnight clear skies about the area, and we have to keep the air conditioner on once again, and that'll be the case tomorrow. Downwind of Lake Michigan, sunny skies, no chance for any rain. There are a couple of pop-up showers well away from Grand Rapids and Muskegon. They'll be over toward the Jackson and Battle Creek areas. Here comes the cold front. That's late Tuesday night, so some showers and storms will be arriving prior to daybreak in some areas on Wednesday, and then mostly of the showers and thunderstorms will be pushing east later on in the day as the sun comes back out. Still humid on Wednesday, but most of the active weather will be coming through on Wednesday morning into the early afternoon. Then some cool weather settling in. There's one marginal risk for severe weather coming up on Wednesday, and they may actually downgrade this over the next couple of days because fronts coming through earlier on in the day. As we get into almost the third week of September, our cool temperatures are going to continue. We're right on the very edge of high chances for that, all the warm weather pushing out west, and we'll continue with near or higher chances for less rainfall as our dry weather will be moving on in later on next week. As far as our water temperatures, they did recover nicely over the weekend. They're in the mid and upper 60s, couple of spots still 70 plus, and those warm waters during the next couple of days will also lead to warmer temperatures at night along the lakeshore. Overnight lows, upper 60s in Hart and Ludington, around 70 Muskegon, Holland under clear skies. Clear tonight. Keep the air conditioning on up north, mid and upper 60s. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we're looking at overnight lows right around 70 with that south wind holding up. 13 on your side forecast. Best chance for showers and storms will be prior to daybreak on Wednesday and then a break later on in the day. Cool with some showers on Thursday. Only 73 after 83 on Wednesday, hitting 92 tomorrow. 68 and cloudy on Friday. Ooh, does not look like fall. Next week, our average high is 78, but we'll be about 5 to 10 degrees cooler. Our best chance for any rain next week will come on Monday. If you were looking for a perfect Labor Day holiday weekend, this would probably be Exhibit A. Yes, sunny skies, except for Saturday, and warm and even humid temperatures to wrap up the unofficial end of summer. What's ahead for your Tuesday? 13 weather ball is green, no change foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today climbed up close to 90 away from the lakeshore. Hot spot 91 in Kalamazoo, 85 up in Ludington. We made 90 here in Grand Rapids, which matched our forecast high. We have been within target 10 days in a row now. Upper level winds have brought in all that heat and humidity, kept all the showers and storms well to our west. Well, the upper level winds are going to change a little bit. Now they're going to be from the west and northwest. Our coolest day will come up on Friday as cloudy skies will be the rule. And then you can see a west-northwest wind here for much of next week. So means we're going to say goodbye to the hot and humid weather for at least a little while. We had sunshine throughout the day today, expecting lots of clear skies and sunshine here tomorrow as well. We have a cold front that'll move through on Wednesday. That's what's going to bring our best chance for showers and storms. Closer to home, you can see clear skies overnight tonight. Still rather humid. You're going to need to have that air conditioner on all night and during the day tomorrow. Late tomorrow afternoon, there might be a pop-up shower around I-69 over toward Lansing. But here from Grand Rapids westward, we will stay dry once again. Best chance for showers and storms comes through just prior to when the sun comes up on Wednesday morning, and then those move to the east. And I think throughout the day, we'll just have a small chance for a shower or a storm. But the Storm Prediction Center has us in a slight risk during the day on Wednesday, but I think we're going to just see some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. The good news is the dew points will drop, but not until Friday. We'll be in the low 70s here tomorrow and Wednesday, and in the 60s despite some cooler weather Thursday. And then maybe that's the last of the really humid weather for the rest of September. Out on Lake Michigan here tomorrow, we're looking for partly cloudy skies, and waves will start to build again to around 2 to 3 feet. So beach hazard alert will go into effect, but not until tomorrow night. Forecast for tomorrow, look for lots of sunshine at the lakeshore, mid and upper 80s, 90 from Muskegon and Holland southward. Northern zone, sunny skies around 90 to 91. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, looking for sunshine. Maybe over toward Battle Creek, there could be that pop-up storm. 13 on your side forecast. 92 tomorrow. 83 with showers and storms on Wednesday. We've highlighted that with that marginal risk. 73 on Thursday with scattered showers. Cloudy and 68 fall-like football weather Friday. Over the weekend, warming up into the 70s with some sunshine next week. We have a chance of some showers next Monday.